Hey there, awesome grade schoolers! Are you ready for some seriously cool word knowledge? Get ready to join me on this exciting lecture where we'll be diving into the world of nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Let's have a blast! Alrighty, let's kick things off by talking about nouns. Now, what in the world is a noun? Well, it's simply a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Think of nouns as the superheroes of sentences. Let's check out some examples together. Person, can you think of someone you know, like your best friend or your teacher? Place, how about your favorite park or the school you go to? Thing, let's think of objects you can touch, like a bicycle or a book. Idea, or maybe something you can't see, like love or bravery. Great job, my incredible word explorers! Now, let's put our noun powers to the test. Here's a sentence: the fast cheetah ran through the lush jungle. Can you spot the amazing nouns in this sentence? Take a moment to flex those word muscles. You guys are nailing it! Now let's venture into the land of pronouns. Pronouns are like magical word chameleons because they take the place of nouns. These crafty words help us avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Let's discover some popular pronouns together. He, she, it, they, we, you, I, me, him, her, them, us. You're doing incredible! Now let's tackle this sentence. Sarah and Tim are friends. They always play together. Can you spot the sneaky pronoun in the sentence? Remember, pronouns swoop in to take the place of nouns. Use your word wizardry. You superstars are on a roll. Next up, verbs. Verbs are like the coolest action heroes in a sentence. They show us what someone or something is doing, making our sentences come alive. Check out these awesome examples. Run, jump, dance, eat, sleep, read, play. Ready for some more wordy fun? Here's a sentence for you. The dog happily wagged its tail. Can you sniff out the verb in this sentence? Remember, it's the action word that tells us what the dog is doing. Give it your best word sleuthing. You word wizards are absolutely amazing. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We discovered nouns, the naming words that represent people, places, things, and ideas. Then we zoomed into the world of pronouns, these magical words that take the place of nouns, spicing up our sentences. Finally, we embraced the power of verbs, those action-packed words that show us what's happening in a sentence. Now that you've unlocked the wonders of nouns, pronouns, and verbs, you're ready to rock the word universe. Keep practicing by finding them in your favorite books or while chatting with friends. Remember, the more you play with words, the more they'll celebrate you. Thanks for joining me on this epic word adventure today. I had an absolute blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your word-loving pals. Until our next thrilling word escapade, keep dancing with grammar and spreading wordy joy. Catch you later, alligator.